Thank you for watching our quick start video. It doesn't matter how much social media marketing experience you've had. In just a few steps, I'm going to show you how to post like an expert. And be sure to stick around until the end. There are 2 tips I have that will help you totally automate your social media marketing. First thing you want to do when you sign up for an account is click the down arrow and click Add Account. There you can add your Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, Google My Business, and even your YouTube channels. The next step is to go to Schedule. Check our categories. These are the types of posts that you'll be sending out. If we missed one, please add it by hitting the plus button. If we have too many, might as well delete it now to clean up your schedule. The next step is to check all the schedule items. So this is a weekly schedule that will repeat every single week. What this says to me is on Monday at 8 o'clock, we are going to send a post. So if you have any posts that you've added to your queue that match any of these categories, we're going to send to these social networks at that time. If this is the wrong time, you can simply drag it around and change it. If you want to remove that, you can remove it. But if you don't, you are going to have 4 posts go out on Monday, 4 on Tuesday. You get the idea. The next thing you want to do is head back to Publish and let's schedule a post. Just type out your message and start typing your URL that you want to share. Our system will detect that and then add it as an attachment. The link attachment appears below. We pull in an image from the page, which you can scroll through and pick a better one if you'd like. Also notice that you can bold or italicize any of the text within your message. You can add images by using your asset library. From the asset library, you can choose free stock images. And from here, you have access to over 1 million free images. You can upload an image here, or you can select 20 images from your local folder and drag them here, and it will automatically add them to your asset library. You can upload a video, and we will direct publish that video. You can add emoji by clicking the emoji icon. And you can even have hashtag groups. Add your hashtag group here and it will automatically drop preset hashtags into each one of your social networks. On the right side of your page, you have a preview of how it's going to look in each of the social networks. You can attach the image, click inside any of the items and you get some options. From here, I can add any formatting, I can add emoji, and I can even add my hashtag group specifically to this network. As we scroll down, we can choose the category. If this is an inspirational post, you might want to choose inspirational. You can email yourself when this is published, and you can also requeue, and this takes us to tip number 1 to automating your social media. You can requeue this post if it's an evergreen post. And what that means is, if you're posting something that is news of the day, something that is only relevant today, don't requeue. But if you're posting something that generally says something about your business that will be true in the next month or 2, go ahead and add it to the requeue. What we will do is if we find a hole in your schedule where you didn't have any fresh content scheduled, we'll reach into your requeue and plug it in so we make sure to post something at that time slot. That way your news feeds don't go empty. You've got a couple options on automatically expiring that content. The next thing you do is add it to the queue. Another option is to save it as a draft, schedule it at an optimal time, or schedule it at a specific time, or publish it immediately. The second tip I want to show you is automation. You can automate RSS feeds. Go to your favorite blog and grab their RSS feed. Go to our help file to figure out how to find any RSS feed out there. You can also automate YouTube channels. If you have a YouTube channel that your followers like, go ahead and grab the RSS from that YouTube channel and we will automatically publish to your social media feeds those new videos as that influencer is publishing them. Also, again, in the help file, it will show you how to do that. You can bulk import as well from a CSV file. If you have any questions, be sure to click on the chat icon below. Thank you.